the day before, like, because, you know, girls don't always love wearing bras, you know, like, so I hated being in my bra and like that tank top for the game because it was sweaty and hot, and I just felt like I had like sweaty, it was just gross. It, like, my bra turned gross. So I just didn't want to do that again, and I knew we were going to be outside all day, but I was like, woo, that was too much. I wore my white one today, the same one, but changed because you can intermix the straps, so you can make it do like this instead of be out here. So I did this today, and it was just like the circle part, but it still was, it caught a lot of people's attention. There were so many girls that were like, oh my God, I love that shirt. And I'm like, I literally got it on TikTok. Like, it's crazy. The white one, yeah, see, and I wore it today, and like, I wore it with these baggy jeans to dress it down, and it looks so cute. Like, they are the cutest little bodysuits. And the girls were like, they're like, I don't know if it's you that's causing it to make it look like that, but it looks so cute. I'm like, thank you. I didn't accept your number. I told you I wouldn't. I was very upfront. I said I don't do DMs. I don't call people. I'm so sorry. It looked so cute. It really did look cute. Right, he was really mad. So loose. Like, they were, you know, they're heavy. So they were weighing that shirt down. That was a mess. Just an absolute mess. Let me call my kids real quick. Guys, dinner! But yeah, this is how it turned out. See? That's Lonnie's, but then you guys can...
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let them grab their food. Homemade sauce, of course. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, I appreciate that. What'd you guys all eat for dinner? Are you guys doing dinner now or what? I'm a Colorado native as well. It was so funny. I was on another person from Colorado's post the other day, and I commented and I said, oh my God, by the looks of that house, I knew this was Colorado. And I put hashtag Colorado native. And some girl commented underneath, and she's like, us in Denver, we don't say Colorado native because that's against indigenous people. And I was like, I definitely understand that, but this isn't what people are saying. They're saying they're native to Colorado, like that's their only place they've ever lived. So it wasn't anything against anybody else. That wasn't the way that I was like, that every Colorado person says that. I was like, are you? Like, people want to fight just to fight. Like, they want to find something wrong with everything and say something. I'm like, that's so crazy. And the people that were on the video were like, I've said that my whole life. It's just to say that you've always been here. Like, not that you were the first to claim the state, that you've always been here. I'm in the West Denver. Me skipping to offend people. What? Westwood. Okay. My friend that came from Chicago, he's staying in the north side. And he's like, I love this area. I was like, yeah, it's different now. It's called the Highlands now, but I was like, it's the north side. Did you get the chat? Me neither. Did you notice, Mikey, today, that guy that wouldn't stop asking for my Snapchat? And I was like, no, I'm sorry. Please stop asking me. I just don't give it out anymore. I used to, but I don't give it out anymore on here. It's always home. Yeah, like, it's where Elitch's was. It's everything. So, like, I think everybody loves the north side because it's very Colorado. You're like, I feel better. Hey, how are you? What have you been up to? I haven't seen you for a long time. Feel it in your body from somebody. Who's winning?
What?
Who's winning on the game?
That's a UFC.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought you guys were watching the World Cup.
No. This is the White House UFC fight.
Is it good?
Yeah, there's good fights tonight. This was just the first one.
Oh, okay.